Hi guys, welcome back to another weekly vlog. Starting this one off from the Catskills mountain. I gave you guys a sneak peek last week because I didn't feel like editing the whole thing, but here's a little sneak peek. So once we got there, it was pretty dark, so not much to do the first day besides cook dinner, relax, and listen to music. We're making stir fry, or so I thought. So that's basically what we did on the first day. Unpacked, cooked, and you know, the whole thing. So on Saturday, we decided to go for a walk. This was about 4 p.m. or so because it was raining the entire morning and snowing. So weird. So we went for a walk just to get some fresh air because the cabin is really tiny, okay? So we went out, and then later that evening we made dinner again. We made sweet potato mash with some chicken and green beans, I think. It was pretty good. I think this was my favorite dish that we made. It's pretty nice. And then we basically just cleaned up, again, listened to music, read. It's just one of those things where you don't have access to social media, so you just have to entertain yourself in a different way. So I really liked just unplugging and all of that. Hi guys, so it's Tuesday at around 5 p.m. right now. I literally, after we spoke earlier, I was literally on the computer the entire time. I had to film and edit a campaign today because I missed the deadline, not on purpose. I just had to work on a few things before I filmed it, so just did that, and it took the entire day. I'm going to send it over while I'm in the vehicle heading to the city because I don't have time, but yeah, heading to the city for a really quick date night. I'm gonna bring you guys with me only because I love the place I'm going to, and I'm also gonna stop by the MEJURI store because I got some new jewelry pieces. I purchased them with my own money, but I wanted like a really classic stud and necklace to match. So I ordered it and it's ready for pickup, so we're gonna go get that. So this top is from Zara. You've seen it before. I probably had this for like almost a year. I'll see if it's still available or if one similar is online because I do love these kind of tops. It just takes a very basic outfit to the next level, I guess. I'm gonna bring my pull-in bag because I don't feel like switching anything out at the moment. And this black Booties. It is 35 degrees, so there's no spring looks over here. It is cold. considering this particular bracelet because it matches the jewelry set that I got. I have an order to pick up. I'm just trying to find a matching bracelet. I have the what's it called? It's like the Topaz. I want like a something like this. But do you have like a single circular stone, or it's just all basil?
Is it one of these new ones that are right here?
Oh, this is what I got, guys.
So that's both of them. That's the round one and the emerald part. And then we have like the matching earrings and the bracelet right here for it.
Oh, okay. Yeah. That's exactly what I'm looking for, because this is the round. Oh, this is the round one.
Yes.
Okay, because I got the earrings and the necklace. I might get this. This is what it looks like. Wow, it's so pretty, you guys. And then I got the matching. Oh. I'm going to buy the matching bracelet. Okay, good morning, guys. So today, what we have going on is we're gonna be meeting Jenny Day for lunch at 12. It's currently 8:03, so I'm gonna be meeting her. What else did I do this week? I got micro links, which I have been loving. I got, yeah, micro links. I'm gonna do an update for you guys very, very soon on this new form of extension that I'm trying. I am literally so obsessed. It's so much just more like natural looking. I have so much more versatility. I can do my hair in a top knot. It's just, why didn't anyone ever tell me to try this? Like literally it's what I've been looking for. Cannot wait to update you guys. I am loving micro links. Anyways, let's do my eyebrows, MEJURI guys, and this vlog is very chaotic. The sun is going in and out, so I'm having to like change the settings. I accidentally shaved off my eyebrows. That's why they're so thin. I was shaving my face, which I like to do because I have sideburns that comes down to here. This part of my hair grows out to here and it almost like touches my eyebrows. So I just like to do a quick little shave to clean up the face because guys, I'm just literally so hairy. It's kind of like cleaned everything up. But then I was just like, you know what? Should I do my eyebrows too? I took it too far, you guys. As always, I take it too far. I kind of got very excited and I kind of just did way too much. And now my eyebrows are super, super thin. They are growing in though, but I can't even clean them up because I want it to grow back in full like they once were. So I'm just gonna have to look crazy in the eyebrow department for a couple. But I'm going in with my NARS foundation. This is the Natural Radiant. I'm back to using this one, New Caledonia, because I'm starting to get a little bit of color since the sun has been out a lot more. And this is the shade that matches me. So funny that I can't wear my other shades anymore because it doesn't match my skin anymore, which is so funny. It's barely even summer and my skin is already getting its pigment back. And then in the summer, like the height of summer, I go even deeper to Iguaku, which is even like a richer shade. For concealer, I'm gonna use my NARS concealer. This is the Creamy Radiant in Amande. I'm just gonna apply this under the eyes. I feel like I should also add this to my Sephora list, but I kind of wanted to find a different concealer because I feel like this doesn't last as long. This sponge that I got from Sephora, I forgot what brand it is. Yeah. Yeah, that's pretty much that. I think this looks cute. Just like a messy ponytail. Like honestly, just gonna be free today. And if it starts to give me a headache, I just pull it out. So for outfit, I'm wearing this white turtleneck and I just have on, this is actually a bodysuit, but I'm not gonna wear it as a body. I just have it folded under now. For a crop top. Then I have on these brown trousers. I mean, they're very nice, but I kind of feel like I want to wear the black ones. I don't know why the black ones are just calling my name. So this is the black, right? And then I'm gonna put on my Yeezys. I'm gonna see how this looks. All right, so before we go any further, let me just share with you guys some jewelry that I picked up from MEJURI. I do work with MEJURI pretty often, but I decided to just spend my own money and get these items because I just didn't feel like going through the, you know, the gifting process where you have to ask for the gift and then wait for them to ship it, and you never really know if it's gonna be like approved. So it's just always like very, very weird. So I decided to just go with like a very classic piece. This was also a newer release of theirs for the spring, I guess. It's literally it's just their classic stud, and I got the matching necklace. See that? And I just got the matching necklace. And I also have the matching bracelet. That's the sleekest, most daintiest jewelry piece ever. If you guys are looking to just classy up your jewelry collection, I suggest these pieces, and they are on the more affordable side of MEJURI. MEJURI prices do get kind of high because they do have a mix of fine jewelry and plated jewelry. A lot of the jewelry I own from them, like a majority, well no, I think I have like 50-50 of each. I have some fine jewelry and some plated pieces. All right guys, so I spent the morning basically filming. Now I need to get the heck out of here. It's 10:12, oh my goodness. Playing it very close here. I'm calling my Uber now. I need to pack my laptop, my charger, and the laptop charger. This has to come with me. I'm gonna just wrap all of this stuff up. I'm gonna put this in this little MEJURI bag. I like to make sure that all my cords and stuff are organized. Okay, I have this like tote bag from the Allure store. I'm just gonna use this to kind of carry my laptop in on my shoulder. So laptop and this, then this. This is perfect. And I'm also going to throw my dress in here. This dress is from Aritzia. I got it the other day, but it's way too small. I ordered it online, I mean. So I need to return that. I'm gonna put it in this bag. And this is like a little tote you just carry in the city. I think I'm gonna wear this Zara jacket today. Then fragrance of the day today can be, I don't know. I have no clue. Myrrh and Tonka is a little bit too heavy. Okay, I'm gonna just do the Rose and Oud by Jo Malone. This one by Jo Malone, and then I'm just going to do the Myrrh and Tonka just to kind of top everything off, because that always helps kind of just freshen the overall smell. All right guys, made it to Starbucks. Whenever I'm able to make it to Starbucks before the train, it's always a good day, because I'm usually, I usually only have like 5 minutes to spare. So yeah. Anyways, I'm going down the stairs now. So made it to the train station officially. The train's running like 5 minutes late, but yeah, hopefully, actually, I hope that doesn't like affect the time that I get in, because I really wanted to like run over to the Le Labo store, as I said earlier. All right, let me just buy my ticket. All right guys, I made it to the city. Okay, I'm meeting Jenny at 12. It's 11:35 right now. My bag's falling off. But I really wanted to stop at the Le Labo store before I went to meet her, because I thought I had enough time. Now I'm running a little bit late, but I made it to the perfume store for Le Labo. So I'm gonna, yeah, see what they have.
Hi guys, so we're at Cipriani and we just had lunch, and now we're gonna go do a little shopping because this lighting is so bad. No, it's not. It is. I look blue. Here. Sorry. Oh my god.
I'm not camera shy.
Okay, see, that's better.
I'll blur you out.
I want to be the vlogger.
But guys, Jenny never wants wants to be in
don't-
my vlog.
I don't want to vlog, but I want to be in your vlog. Oh.
She never wants to be in my vlog. Oh.
I don't want.
Oh, you want to hold it?
Yeah.
Fine. You know, I don't have anyone who vlogs for me, so I'll take
Okay.
it.
I'm gonna vlog you walking across the street. Oh, do you want? Here, give me your phone so I can make a TikTok too.
Oh.
Go, 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 go.
Anyways, we are all done at the public where we edited successfui.
We're actually really productive.
No, we really were. So now we're going to Le Labo.
Yeah.
So I basically just wore the scent the entire day. The one I want is this one. This one. Yeah, try this one. This is what I want. It smells bad on clothes.
Wait, no.
No, here. Here. This is the one that I was thinking about.
I think it smells better over time. Like not initially
Yeah.
when you first spray it.
That means she hates it, you guys.
That's not what it is.
I feel like I should name this vlog what I eat in a week because it's pure food. But on Friday, I really wanted some curry chicken. I was just craving curry, so I decided to make it. Didn't have all the ingredients I wanted, but we improvised over here. So carrots, onions, peppers, thyme. I'm using jalapenos because I don't have any Scotch bonnet peppers, so yeah. Anyways, I'm burning the curry in the pot here, and then I'm just going to add in the chicken pieces, mix that up. And then once we're done with this, I'm just going to add in all the other ingredients. And we're just going to add a little tip of water, hot water, just to kind of get all that burnt curry off the corner of the pot. Yeah, and then just wait for it to come to a simmer, make some white rice, and you're good. I love this meal. It's like quick and easy and one of my favorites.